Oink. Hey guys, it's me, Oliver, and I just want to say Happy Easter. And relative, is that you, relative? No, Bonnie, it's just me.
Oh, better luck next Easter.
What? So today I just wanted to do probably my first and only. You know what? These look ridiculous. Today I'm probably gonna be doing my first and only food reboxing like thingy majigger. It is this little Star Wars like chocolate with surprise in it. So it's kind of like a Kinder Surprise egg, I believe. Now, it has a couple of characters here. Let's take a look at those. It has BB-8, Kylo Ren, Captain Phasma, Rey, Poe Dameron, and Chewbacca. The one that I really want, it would be like Kylo Ren. That'd be a legend. I would be like a god if I got it. Let's open it. See what we got. Hold on. They kind of use like some sort of like a super glue. Let's open it more. Bam. Got it open. Let's take a look at what we have inside, huh? Hiya! I've been learning karate, boys. Hold on, wait. I'll be right back. I just have to get into my spirit. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Wednesday. You know what? This looks stupid on me now. Yes, I got into the spirit. I have my Kylo Ren lightsaber, which Mickey Mouse would actually be using, and well, somebody's gonna be using them in one of the episodes. Not Mickey Mouse though. Hee hee hee. I'm just gonna set that off to the side very carefully because it's a real life lightsaber. Well, let's save the little surprisey from the end. I do not know what is in there because it's extremely dark. Let's look at this chocolate because I really thought that this was supposed to be into the chocolate, but it doesn't seem to be that. Boy, give me my tripod. Cameraman, what are you doing? I'm fixing my chair. Why are you sitting on a chair? Because it's easier than the carpet. You have a point. Let us take a look at what's inside this chocolate, shall we? I'll just go off camera in order to do that. It says that the flavor is milk chocolate, I believe. So let us see if that is true. I got an opening here. There we go, fellers. Fire! I'm sorry, Star Wars logo and Lucasfilm. Hey, tell me in the comments if you guys have ever seen, like, oh no. Tell me in the comments, have you guys seen the, the Star Wars The Last Jedi movie? I haven't yet during the making of this video. I'm gonna take a quick little nibble on it. Whoa. Cameraman, just keep the camera steady. Yes, sir. Oh. It tastes very chocolatey. But there's nothing inside there. Oh. Yeah, that is very chocolatey. Very chocolatey indeed. So I don't know how this is actually able to... I'm going to try to squeeze this in there before... That's how it fits in there. That would have been more helpful, but now I'm going to take it out of the chocolate. I'm going to try some more of it. That is good. That is very good. Let's check out the little surprise. I'm just gonna pop it open. Open sesame. Well, that's all I can do. No, there's more. Open Open sesame. Nope. Open sesame. Cameraman, open this up. Okay. Open. Wait. Wait. Wait for what? Open sesame. What? He popped it open. Cameraman, you are phenomenal. Did you see what is inside? No. No, I didn't. Okay, thanks, Patrick. And on the inside, you guys take a peek. Okay, I hope you guys saw who it is. Let us check. And all it is a sheet of paper. Just a sheet of paper. Anything on the back? Is this thing trolling me right now? That means... Oh, there it is. Oh my god, it's my big day. Yeah, I'm watching Logan Paul. Shh. Look at who we got here, people. Camera focus. Here, cameraman, just have it focus on it. Well, there he is, people. Kylo Ren. Sorry if it's out of focus. It's just doesn't want to focus right now. Focus on it. Focus! So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And this will probably be my first and only food toy reboxing thingy. Of course, yes, I'm gonna be doing more reboxing. But yeah. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And later. Jeff, turn off the camera!